Hello everyone, I am Richa Agrawal, third year undergraduate student of the Department of Material Science and Engineering. My mission as a DUGC nominee would be to increase my approachability to all the students of the department in case they face any problem regarding the opportunities that they have in the department or any kind of problem that they face in the department. My mission would be first to target MSc 30A, that is our departmental to be more industry and research specific. Currently in third year, when we prepare for internships, we are preparing for the companies that the SPO offers, but none of us actually prepares for research. We do not know how to we do not know how to make a CV that is research oriented or even a cover letter. Departmental com teaches that, but it is a bit too late in terms of applications as the deadlines near when we are still in the course. So I would like this course to be shifted to the fourth semester rather than the fifth semester. I would like to increase the scope of the minor program that is currently offered in the Material Science and Engineering department. Currently, our department offers a minor only in functional materials that may not be applicable or even useful for other department students. As a busway student might want to apply to a minor in Material Science and Engineering, but the courses of electronics are taught to him or her. So I would like to talk with the professors to include biomaterial subjects for busway students and electronic students for the people of electrical engineering that would be doing it. Third point would be to start a trend of industrial trips and research lab trips in our department. Our department is a lot research oriented and industry oriented as well. So industrial trips and research lab trips offer great exposure to students and also tell them the options that we as material scientists would pursue. Though some of my points which I am going to tell do not come under the purview of DUGC, but still I would like to take them, and that would be maintenance and publicizing of our departmental library and construction of a student lounge for our department. Thank you.